Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects all of us: how to set and achieve meaningful goals. Whether you're looking to improve your career, your health, or your personal life, having clear goals can make all the difference. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First, let's talk about why setting goals is so important. Goals give us direction and purpose. They help us focus our efforts and resources, and they provide a benchmark for measuring progress. Without goals, we might find ourselves drifting through life without a clear path. Studies show that people who set specific goals are more likely to achieve them. Not only that, but having goals can boost our motivation and enhance our self-esteem. When we achieve our goals, it gives us a sense of accomplishment and encourages us to aim even higher. Now, let's discuss the different types of goals. There are three main categories: short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve in the near future, like finishing a project or reading a book. Medium-term goals typically span a few months to a couple of years, such as saving for a vacation or completing a certification course. Long-term goals are the big dreams, the ones that might take several years to accomplish, like starting your own business or buying a house. To ensure our goals are meaningful, we need to connect them to our values and passions. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? What am I passionate about? Think about your core values. Are they centered around family, career, health, creativity, or something else? Aligning your goals with your values will not only make them more meaningful, but also keep you motivated when challenges arise. One effective method for setting goals is the SMART framework. This acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 1. Specific. Your goal should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to run a 5,000 in under 30 minutes." 2. Measurable. You need to track your progress. For example, instead of "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $5,000 by the end of the year." 3. Achievable. Ensure your goal is realistic. Running a marathon in a month if you've never run before might not be achievable. 4. Relevant. Your goal should align with your larger life goals. Make sure it matters to you. 5. Time-bound. Set a deadline. "I want to read one book per month" is better than just "I want to read more." Once you have your SMART goal, the next step is creating an action plan. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes it less overwhelming and more achievable. 1. Identify the steps needed. 2. Set deadlines for each step. 3. Prioritize your tasks. 4. Monitor your progress regularly. By creating a clear action plan, you're not just dreaming, you're creating a roadmap to success. Now let's discuss how to stay motivated on your journey. Here are some tips to keep your spirits high. 1. Visualize success. Imagine what achieving your goal will feel like. 2. Celebrate small wins. Every small victory counts. Reward yourself for milestones. 3. Find a support system. Share your goals with friends or family who can encourage you. 4. Stay flexible. Sometimes life throws us curveballs. Adjust your plan as needed, but don't lose sight of your goal. 5. Keep learning. Read books, take courses, or find a mentor. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your goals. Let's be real, obstacles will come your way. It's a part of the journey, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Here are some strategies to overcome challenges. 1. Anticipate challenges. Think ahead about potential obstacles and plan for them. 2. Stay positive. A positive mindset can help you find solutions instead of dwelling on problems. 3. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask for support when you need it. 4. Reflect and adjust. If something isn't working, take a step back, reflect, and make adjustments to your plan. 5. Stay committed. Remember why you started and keep your end goal in mind. Lastly, it's crucial to regularly review your goals. Set aside time each month to reflect on your progress. Ask yourself, what's working? What isn't? Do my goals still align with my values? What can I adjust to stay on track? Adapting your goals as you grow and learn is not a failure, it's a sign of maturity and resilience. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to set and achieve meaningful goals. Remember, the journey might not always be easy, but with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve amazing things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little motivation today.